In this video, we propose using the 1-minute mindfulness technique to help you reduce the emotional overload associated to the coronavirus pandemic development. We understand that you might ask yourself if you need it and if this is really going to help, but you should realise that you are experiencing, as are your colleagues all around the world, a situation that is more demanding than any other you may have lived before. It is possible that you have to provide answers to scenarios for which you may not have had the appropriate training, in which instructions are sometimes contradictory due to the rush of the moment. You don't always have the adequate equipment and means for taking care of the patients with COVID-19 or with other pathologies that also require your attention. You may find yourself feeling helpless and irritable when witnessing reckless behaviours in patients and companions, usually due to unawareness. Likewise, under these conditions, there is greater risk of making mistakes from tiredness or misunderstandings that may affect your patients. You are working in a situation of particular biological risk, a risk that may extend to the rest of the patients, colleagues, and family members you live with at home. Your greatest fear is not for you, but because you don't want to infect your family. It is also particularly hard to face the anxiety of strictly isolated, hospitalised patients and the fact that some of them will die alone. It is possible that you are experiencing very intense emotions and feel overflown without wanting to comment your feelings with anyone, to not look weak, or because you are unable to provide answers to everyone at all times. What is the 1-minute mindfulness technique? With this mindfulness technique, you can regulate the emotional reactions you go through when feeling things have overflowed. We suggest to entirely focus on your breathing, on perceiving the air flowing in and out. Even if your worries strongly come back to your mind, place all your attention on your breathing, as this will help you recover.